Are you dreaming of a job in cybersecurity? Or maybe you're already in the field and want to stand out of the crowd and land that promotion. Let me tell you why Hack the Box is your secret to success in this competitive industry. Now, Hack the Box isn't just any platform. It's a playground for cybersecurity skills. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, it offers a hands-on, immersive experience that goes beyond the traditional certifications and theory-based learning. It's cybersecurity learning, but with gamification. Here's the thing. Thousands of people are applying to these same cybersecurity roles every single day. So, how do you stand out? That's showing employers that you're not just book smart, you can memorize questions and answers, but you're battle tested. And here's where Hack the Box shines. On this platform, you'll find real world challenges that mirror what you'll face in the real world. Penetration testing, reverse engineering, Active Directory exploitation, incident response, and more. You'll learn to think like an attacker, defend like a pro, and solve problems under pressure. Unless you cheat and look through the walkthrough guides. But you're not a cheater, right? Adding your Hack the Box profile to your resume is not just a badge of honor, it's proof that you have the skills. And trust me, that's a game changer. Don't wait for your opportunity to prove yourself. Hack the Box gives you the tools you need to create your own opportunity. Start solving challenges, build your skills, and join a global community of like-minded individuals who are as passionate about cybersecurity as you are. So, are you ready to get ahead of the competition? Take advantage of the gold annual discounts in the link down below while you still can, folks. They rarely give discounts. Trust me, I regularly check. Log on to Hack the Box, start learning, and take your first step towards an incredible career in cybersecurity. Your future self will thank you.